Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is SUMA BABU. Nowadays, I am trying out so many new things. I think I am in a productive mode. There are so many things in my bucket list. I had to remind myself that I have not tried that particular thing every day. I felt recently that I had to take up some sewing projects. So, this video happened. I have a habit of collecting beautiful printed old clothes. Periodically, I clean up my wardrobe so I remove not so old clothes. It neither fits me or sometimes we feel like not to wear them anymore. If you also face the same problem, let me introduce this beautiful project which you can make out of fabric pieces. Whenever I get time, I pre-cut the fabric into small pieces. This takes most of our time. My purpose here is to recycle the old fabric. I have cut the fabric into 12 by 12 centimeter pieces. You can use any sizes for this project. It would be easy if you use a cardboard piece for the reference. I have one separate bag especially for collecting such cloth pieces. It would be better if you use similar kind of fabric together. I have cotton fabric here of different pattern and color. You can use your old kurti, sari, gents shirt, dupatta, etc. for this project. If you don't want to use old clothes, even you can buy new fabric for the same project. Just trace the measurement on the cloth and cut. So I have these pieces of fabric. See how colorful they are. Align them into some pattern. Only one thing you have to remember here is that it would be nice if you are not repeating the same color on 4 sides. Here, neither you have to worry about the lines you are not getting aligned, nor about the size of the fabric. It will form some patterns by itself. I have already stitched these fabric pieces together. Now I have to arrange them. We may need a base cloth for this project. I have taken this one. You can use this project as a table mat, fridge cover, carpet, bed sheet, oven cover, etc. So take the measurement of the area where you are going to place it and you have to cut the base cloth as per that measurement. Now attach the right side of both the base cloth and the fabric pieces and stitch the edge. And reverse it. Press it nicely to stay in place, then secure with a pin. Now we have to attach the next set of fabric pieces like this. Keep the right sides together and stitch the edge. Then reverse it. Continue the process until you cover the whole base fabric. And stitch 4 sides of each fabric pieces if you want. Use some contrast thread for that. This is totally optional. The last and the final step is cut a 4 centimeter straight strip of any contrast fabric. Fold that into half. Then place it on the wrong side of our project like this. Then stitch. Now you can take the whole piece in front or fold it leaving half part in the front and leaving half part in the back. That's all, we have completed this project. It looks so beautiful and colorful. You can spread it over anywhere you want. That's all, guys. Comment whether you find this video useful. I would say this project is a garland. The small pieces of cloth carry so much of our memories. Hope you really like this video. See you soon with some interesting projects like this. Until then, enjoy and be creative. Thank you.